Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It channel, and here we have a mix of tips, tricks of all platforms, and also of news. So today we are Monday, August 24th, 2020, and to answer a few questions, a lot of people are wondering what this is all about. Some of you actually know what this is all about. Epic Games and their famous and very popular Fortnite game are now in a battle with Apple. And what's happening? So, Epic is, of course, the creator of Fortnite. Fortnite is available through the App Store for Apple, the iOS store. And to be in that store, you have to follow a set of rules, and one of them is to have all the app purchases, including in-app purchases, always going through the App Store for Apple. That means Apple can take a cut of 30% on the sales. So if you go and do $100 of in-app purchases for Epic or for Fortnite, $30 of that 100 will go to Apple. It's some people call it the Apple tax. So Epic and many creators and developers, by the way, think that 30% is way too high of a percentage for the sales of the different, from the apps and the in-app purchases. Epic is one of them. So what they did, they made a change in their in-app purchases where they bypassed the Apple Store. And of course, they violated terms of services, so Apple has removed Fortnite from the App Store. That created a battle. But what is interesting in this battle is that Epic is not asking for any damages or anything. They're actually going to court and try to say that Apple is actually abusing of its powers by charging such a high percentage, and 30% is way too much. And they say that they're going against Apple and going to court with Apple for a very simple reason: to have those fees lowered, and that every developer and creator will actually have a fair amount for what they actually do. Of course, on the other side, you will have Apple that's going to say, well, we're the ones that created this big ecosystem, and you are using our ecosystem and at your advantage and making money thanks to us. So we are charging 30% because that's the way it is. So that's going to be an interesting battle to check out. One of the first items that's going to happen today with Epic is that I believe today they are in court, where they are going to actually ask a judge to make sure that Fortnite is back into the App Store for now until the case is settled. So this will have an impact on a lot of things. If Epic wins, that means every developer will make more money probably off of their apps. They could fail. If they do, well, that means nothing will have changed. But one of the companies also backing Epic here, Microsoft, saying that, yep, they're right, that Apple is abusing of its powers, and that things should change. So that's going to be interesting to see the battle and what happens. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.